Hey, Suzy Torres here, Low Country Elite Group. I just finished riding through some new construction neighborhoods and checking out some models. A lot of people don't realize, as part of our day as a real estate agent, we are constantly going into new construction developments. We're wanting to make sure that we are well in the know with the different builders, the price points, the communities, the amenities, the resources surrounding the communities, as well as the schools. So that way we can best guide our buyers and what they're looking for. Also, a lot of people don't realize that when they walk into the agent on duty model home to take a look, if you decide to purchase that and you do not have a builder, your own agent, the builder agent that's there is actually there representing the best interest of the builder. So it's always great to have your own representation from an outside agent. As a buyer, it doesn't cost you any money to do so. It doesn't change the price of the house that you're purchasing, and you don't pay any commission. The builders pay us as buyer's agent to represent you, and we're there for your best interest. I am new construction certified and have walked through many processes with my buyers from start to finish. We, as agents representing you, are there through the whole process, whether it's writing the contract, doing the walkthrough with the builder, recommending home inspectors, additional insurance, discount options that you don't know are available for insurance, loan officers, loan programs, helping you decide what's best there, as well as final walkthroughs, helping stay on top of those punch lists of things that need to get done. We as the agents will stay on top of the builders for those. We're there to the very end, to the attorney's office, making sure all your numbers look good, and there for your final signing to hand over those keys. So always a good idea to keep that in mind. And we are always in the know of what's out there as far as built inventory, to be built inventory, new neighborhoods coming out. So I have taken some pictures here so you could see a couple walkthroughs that we did this morning, and happy to answer any questions and would love for you to reach out. Have a great day.